meeting Jayesh sir, chief guest of the day, lovable Smita madam, all my dear colleagues, invited guests, dearest students and other non-teaching staff. A warm good morning to all and one here. There are special moments and occasions in the life that every community brings us together. Today is one such a way when we remember the past 1 year and all the good things that came along with it. We remember that we were apart because of the pandemic, and now it is an occasion for us to be part with, and we are here for our celebration. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all the organizers and participants of the week, that is the Longing Celebrations. A celebrations that is after a long pandemic that puts us down, and the celebration now here is a blessing to rejuvenate our minds. I salute all the players from the staff and students who made this possible, and I do express my sincere gratitude to Jayesh sir and Smita ma'am who gave the lovable opportunity to conduct the program. Tindu madam, the face of Flywings, Jibin sir and Judith ma'am for coordinating the function in a very colorful manner. Secondly, all of us know that Flywings, the best aviation and logistic institution, is being owned by NCEE, that is the National Center for Employment and Education, and NGO. We stand for the best in academics and for unending pursuit of excellence. We uphold the value of love, transformed into service and deeds of kindness. We try our best to shine in light in this world's darkness in the hope that some poor soul somewhere may find comfort, joy and cheer. Special appreciation goes to the students who are the wings of the program, without whose cooperation and participation the program wouldn't have been a successful one. This day is a reminder that another year is being passing. That means we need to count our days and pray our God Almighty for wisdom to plan how to best utilize the limited time on the earth He has gifted to us. So let me wish all of you present here with opportunity to leave a signature in our college history. Not one of you is forgotten. All of us contributions towards this program and organization is very much appreciation, however small it may be. This is a new beginning for all of us, especially for the first years who has been a transition from school to college, and this is the first function after a long time. So let us make a best opportunity for this program to bring best of us. On behalf of our principal and all the management and the staff, I wish you all the very best. Even though the past is our achievements decorated with precious stones and many colors, I still believe that the best is yet to become. Let tomorrow dawn with better hopes and better dreams. Yes, we shall overcome someday. Can somebody sing the song? Can we overcome one day? Shall we? We shall overcome one day. Anybody from the audience? We shall overcome one day. Nobody is there. We shall overcome one day. Yeah. We shall overcome one day. Please sing with me. We shall overcome one day. And let's keep out the cheer out throughout the coming year. Thank you.